Doesn't look like water. Oh. Oh.
Quinn!
Good thing you're practicing.
Quinn!
I love you. You're the best. So, a little birdie told me you're teaching me something.
Quinn, for heaven's sake, I know you're in there.
Yeah, a little birdie. A little birdie told me.
You have a key, Mia. Clearly, Captain Obvious. If I would have them on me, I would have been on the other side now, wouldn't I?
You okay?
It's just me, Lou.
Oh, sorry, Mia.
It's okay. Would you please open the door? Whoa, 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 whoa,
So
whoa.
I'm not
wait.
going to Seattle.
You did it again, didn't you?
No. You are not gonna lay it on me again, just because you just don't get it.
Quinn!
Ireland?
Ireland.
It's called depression.
Depression, my foot, it's all in your mind! These 6 inches are lying to you!
You have no idea. No idea what it's like inside of my head. You have your theories and what you read on WebMD, and that's it. But what's really going on? What's really happening inside of my head? These voices of despair that just won't shut up. And these pictures of my dead, lifeless, peaceful, blood-soaked body that just keeps screaming, do it! God! Lifeless body, did you hear me, Mia? That's real! It's real to me! When will you get that?
Never. And the way I see it, you have a choice. And I love you. I really, really do. Alright, but I'm done enabling your hypochondriac behavior. Listen, the reason why I'm here is because Sebastian was calling me, asking me for your number. Now there's a guy worth living for. He really likes you. I get that your boyfriend's death messed you up. There comes a time in our lives that we have to move on.
I know that! And I know what I have to do with my life to get better, okay? I'm working on it.
It is always a tragic story when a young life such as that of Quinn Sutton is taken away from us prematurely. But we must focus on the positive memories that we are left with. Let us meditate so that we can send Quinn's spirit and soul into the universe. Please bow your heads. Thank you.
I get it now. I get it. I'm not being selfish. Come back.
Here we go, sleepyhead. You must have had a rough night last night, considering you're still in bed at 11 in the morning. So not like you.
Oh my God, Quinn! Oh my God, I love you! I love you! I love you! I love you! Oh my God! Oh my God! I promise to be like the bestest best friend in the whole entire universe. Okay? I believe you, and I will listen to you. Okay? No matter what you throw at me, depressed or not. I just realized that I haven't been there as for you as much as I'm supposed to. Come on.
Mia, I have no idea what has gotten into you. I just came by to do something nice for you. And I think maybe you just need to have some juice. Mia, take the juice.
Mia.
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 Mia. Mia. You need to take your pills. Drink your juice.
Poor thing. She's been like this for a year already. I can't believe she tried to off herself twice now. She's so young.
She believes she killed her best friend. That's enough to get anyone.
Yep. Depression. It's a bad word.